Hey guys, how's it going? Today, for this quick tip of the day, I wanted to share with you guys just a little quick thought about paracord bracelets. So I know a lot of people are really into making these survival bracelets out of paracord. Lots of different designs that you can do. But one thing that I learned this summer while I was hanging out at scout camp is if you want to try something that gives you a little bit different look, you can actually try to take the core out of the paracord, and it'll definitely turn out a lot different. So if you look at this that I carry with me on my bracelet right now, it's going to look a lot different than these others. Kind of comes out flat. So if you're looking for a little bit of a different feel or a different look for your paracord bracelet, the next time you measure out your length of paracord, all you have to do is pull out the center strands out of the paracord shell and then just make your same bracelet doing the same weaves, same patterns as before. And that is today's quick tip. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the trail.